Today I have the Bambu Lab A1 mini combo and I'm doing an unboxing. Let's go. Now I don't know why I bought a 3D printer, but I guess prices of 3D printers have dropped in the recent years such that it's no longer too much of a luxury. So I just bought one to try it out. Let's see. Scan to watch the unboxing tutorial. Please keep this pause in the case of a return or warranty claim. Okay. Let's see. Yes. I have no idea what this is. Ah, this is the whole filament. What is this? There's a disclaimer and safety guidelines. Oh, it's pretty heavy. This is the A1 mini. Let's put it aside. It's pretty heavy. Brown. Right. This is the A1, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini combo edition. Well, I guess I have to set it up next. Alright, let us